What's up, YouTube? Today is currently Saturday. I am getting my car towed to the shop. Let me show you what's wrong with it. Yeah, obviously that's not good. It's my slave cylinder. Basically what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take out all my trash and stuff in the trunk. I really don't want to give my mechanic a dirty car, and then have my baby back on the road. I have a lot of trash that I have to get out of here. A lot of this stuff came from my other car that I just wrecked, so it's kind of RIP my baby. Out here, I'm gonna pick the camera back up and I'm gonna load these parts up. And we're gonna get out of here, take my car to the shop. So, you should be pulling up. Here it is. I'm getting my serpentine belt replaced because it's never been replaced. So, tow truck, not here yet. Car's getting a facelift soon. Something small to change on the back. I really don't like this chrome spoiler right here, so I have me another spoiler to put on. Yeah, you wanna kill it? Alright, that's cool. So currently what's up, you guys? I didn't really close out the video yesterday or tell you guys how everything worked out. And the car is gonna be getting everything installed this week. Hopefully it'll be done by Friday. If not, I'm not really pressed about it. I'm currently about to hit the gym and lift. Gotta get my body back in shape because I play in a men's baseball league. I'm trying to get back in shape so I won't fuck anything up. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and be safe out there. Thanks.